Today, earlier I think that I will join with you at a Google app, okay, Google Meet, sorry. But some student have not downloaded that. That's why I am taking your class, and next you install Google Meet in your phone, mobile also, okay. And today we are going to against democracy. Ki what argument against democracy? Why we are not like the democracy? Maybe some problems in democracy also, okay. And the leader keep changing in democracy. Ki in democracy, what are the drawbacks? Drawbacks is there कि leaders keep changing in democracy. After 5 years or in between we can change the leaders, okay. This leads to instability, okay. If we are going to change the ruler on that time, it leads to instability. Which decision taken by the leaders, the next party may be taken or not, okay. And next one is democracy all about political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. It means every political party have competition to and power play, and they want to win the election. When they win the election on that time, they are very happy. Okay, ki any trick they can adopt for win the election. And so many people have to consult it in democracy that it leads to delayed decision. It means कि when any dispute in any matter or any crime, and it takes a lot of time. You take the example of your Babri Masjid. Okay, 25 years. After 25 years, they have given the decision that there will be built a mandir there, temple there, Ram Mandir there. Okay, it means it takes a lot of time. And in I think 1992 it was happened. About 90 they started that moment to build a temple there. Okay, it means it takes a lot of time. That's why we are not going to like democracy. It's always gives the late decision. And elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people. It leads to bad decision. If we are going to elect our own representative, sometimes they have not interest to work in the favor of people. It leads to bad decision. Sometimes they take the bad decision, okay. And next one is your democracy leads to corruption. In democracy you have know about that. In electoral competition, everyone give the money to the people that you give me vote, okay. I have to give you money, and your vote ensure me you give me vote, okay. It means we are going to cheat the people as well as our own morality, okay. We are not going to do a better competition. Sometimes we take the advantages of that कि मुझे बनना है. How I am become a leader, or how I am become a MLA and MP. So many bad trick they adopt to win the election. Ordinary people don't know what is good, and some people don't know कि what is good. Why we are giving the vote to this person? This one is good or not? Our government is doing the work. Some people don't know about that. कि our government is doing better for the country, better for us or not. Okay, they should decide anything. They should not decide anything. They will not. They are not able to decide that कि this one is good or not. Okay, these are the argument against democracy. Sometimes they ask the question why some people not like the democracy, and these are the point of that. Okay, and earlier we have read about what are the features of, and here they have given the point. Free and fair election, competition there, one person, one vote, one value, rule of law and respect, okay. And favor of कि some people favor कि democratic government is better than other form of government, कि more accountable form of government because people elected the representative. Okay. And next, democracy improve the quality of decision making. This one is कि democracy improve the quality कि whenever your ruling government take any decision, and this decision make by debate and discussion. कि sometimes they take the decision and opposition party sometimes they oppose. Okay, कि by that they are going to give the good decision, provide a method to deal with differences and conflict. If in democracy we can remove our differences and conflict by discussing with one party to another party. Okay, and you know about that, your Modi government, whenever they take any decision, when your China, there was a conflict and the attack on the border of Ladakh, on that time your central government called other political parties and said them the situation of the area of that Ladakh area, ki what China is going on. It means ki by that they also take they take discussion with the other person. Okay, and if something is there wrong going on wrong, on that time we can clear our doubts and try to remove the conflict. Okay, and next I am going to take but only one paragraph I have. You have the textbook with you, that's why I am saying. Okay, and the last one, your second one, last is democracy enhance the dignity of citizen. If we have democracy, then every person have their freedoms, have their duties and have their own dignity. Okay, and the next year better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistake. If government is going to give the wrong decision or other thing on their time, this is your democracy. There is a democracy that they try to correct the mistake which they have done through debate, and opposition party always oppose them. On that time they think about, if I am going to take any decision, let me see opposition party oppose it or not. If they opposed, on that time they try to improve the mistake, try to correct the mistake. Okay, up to here we are going to read. Okay, thank you beta.